Hey, happy Sunday, guys. Seton HVAC here, having a little Sunday beer. Nothing wrong with that on a nice Sunday afternoon. I've been watching some football. Let my daughter watch a little TV right now. I'm going to go back in and continue. We're kind of in between games right now. Oh, that tastes good. So, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what's coming up this week. So tomorrow, I'm going to finish up wrapping some duct in a crawl space. Nothing too interesting, but it's going to be in this rat-infested crawl space. So you don't know what we're going to run across. So that could be interesting. You never know what I might run across there. Tuesday, I'm going to go finish up another job so I can get it inspected the next day. Finally get paid on that one. And then the following day, it's the same thing. I'm going to go wrap up a project and keep the money rolling in. I start thinking about it more as we get closer to the holidays, bringing money in. The nice thing about my job is how hard I work is how much money I make. So it's a really nice way to live, and I think everybody should have that motivation, not just think of what they do as 9 to 5, clock out, and then zone out. You should be thinking about your work as what am I getting at here? Think about what you're doing at all times towards an end goal. Don't just think short term. Think long term. That's what I do. I always think long term about everything that I do on a day-to-day basis. Tomorrow's not just Monday. Tomorrow is another day for me to, get me one step closer to my end goal, which is retirement comfortably and to be able to do whatever the heck I want to do when I retire. If you guys checked out my live stream last night, we had a gentleman on there asking a lot of good questions, and I think we had a really good dialogue going for a while there. How you should approach being an HVAC contractor and just a worker in general, how you should approach life, and how you should approach your adult years, thinking about your retirement, because let's be honest, it goes quick. Trust me, I don't feel like I feel like I just got in the workforce, and here I am 30 plus years in, and I'm starting to think about that light at the end of the tunnel, which is really good, and I think I'm doing it the right way. So hopefully, and I got off to a late start too. Now, you guys that are in your 20s still, start thinking about it now. Start thinking about your retirement. Start socking that money away. Don't let that money burn a hole in your pocket and spend it. Put it away. You don't get much putting it in a bank anymore. Shoot, get yourself a safe and start putting money in there. Cash is king. So. But I want you guys to check out my live stream from last night. There's a lot of good stuff there, a lot of real good insights into how you should be living your adult life, and how you should be envisioning your retirement years, because that's all I'm thinking about. I want to have fun with my family and right off into the sunset, so to speak. So anyway, so that's a little bit of a insight into what I have going on this week. And sorry, I'm spacing out here. I need another sip of my Go Juice here. A little insight into how the rest of this week is going to go for me as far as content, and stuff always pops up too. I got lots of service stuff that's coming up. Above and beyond those loose ends that I was telling you about. So if I can speak this morning, it's Sunday. I've been watching football, been kind of lounging around. I got some honey-do things I need to do as well. So anyway, I won't bore you guys much more with this. I like to do at least a daily check-in if I don't have any actual HVAC content, just to keep the channel flowing. And I try to, moving forward, I try to do it every day. I try to post them at about any Saturdays, maybe a little earlier, like 2 p.m. Pacific time. But I try to post my videos during the week. Try to get them in by 3 or 4 p.m. Pacific time. So be watching out for them daily, and thanks for watching the channel, guys.